VLC opens normally, but your video won't play, stays stuck, or shows a black screen. Don't worry, this is usually fixable. In this guide, we'll check the video file, VLC settings, hardware decoding, video output, and a few system-level issues. So let's go through the fixes. First, try opening a different video file. If another video plays normally, the original file may be damaged, incomplete, or using a format that's causing problems. If nothing plays, keep going with the next steps. Next, make sure VLC is actually starting playback. Check the play button, the timeline, and the volume control. If the video is playing but you only see a frozen frame, try moving the timeline forward a few seconds. Sometimes the issue is simply a stuck playback state. If VLC still refuses to play the video, hardware decoding could be causing a compatibility problem. Open Tools, then Preferences, and select Input and Codecs. Find Hardware Accelerated Decoding and set it to Disable. Save the change and restart VLC. Another common fix is changing the video output module. In VLC Preferences, open the video section and look for Output. If the current option is causing a black screen or playback failure, test another available output. Save the setting and restart VLC. VLC supports a huge range of formats, but a particular file can still have a damaged or unusual codec. Open Tools, then Codec Information, and check what video and audio codecs the file uses. If one file fails while standard files work, the file itself may be the problem. Now check whether you're using a current VLC version. If an update is available, install it from the official Videoland website. If VLC is already updated but videos still won't play, uninstall VLC and install a fresh copy. Yeah, this can clear damaged files or configuration problems. Finally, make sure the video file isn't incomplete or corrupted. Try opening it in another media player or test a different copy of the same file. Also check your graphics driver if VLC consistently fails with video playback. And that's how to troubleshoot VLC when videos won't play. Test another file, check playback controls, disable hardware decoding, change video output, inspect the codec, and update VLC. So go through these fixes one at a time, and you'll quickly narrow down what's causing the problem.